saved my life.
Oh,
No, seriously. Can I give you a hug?
yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know,
You're welcome.
you saved my life.
Oh, thank
No,
you.
seriously. Seriously.
Thank you.
And I'm grateful.
Aw.
If there were more people like you, this world would be a better place.
Aw,
I mean that
that's
from my heart.
touching. That's so touching. Thank you, Kevin.
You're welcome. Thank you.
That's awesome.
My name's Kevin Kirkness. Well, for a lot of years, I had a hearing problem. I went when I was 11, 12 years old. I went to Milton School for the Deaf. Back then, the hearing aids were no good for me. This is what I have been told. One thing I did learn from the school is the sign language. I can talk with my hands. But throughout the years, I have not had a hearing aid. I'm 71 years old, and finally, I'm hearing things I'd never heard in 65 years, I would say. I had spinal meningitis when I was 3 years old. That's what affected my hearing. Now I feel sort of like free at last. I'm hearing things I never heard. I'm trying to get used to certain sounds that I never heard. And it's different, but it's something that I guess my brain has to get used to. Other than that, I'm happy. I'm glad I came here. It was the best move I ever made. And I'm proud of myself for doing so. My children, back then they had to more or less yell at me in order for me to hear. Now it's a normal tone of voice, because in the household, even my wife, the same thing. Her voice was much louder. Unfortunately, she passed away 2 years ago last month, and I'm on my own. And the weirdest part, I never heard my cat until these hearing aids. Now, you know, sometimes I wish the cat would keep quiet, you know, but it's the joy of hearing things. But still, I'm in the beginning state. I'm still working on certain sound. The lady here is helping me adjust my hearing aid. As I would say, one step in the right direction. And once everything is combined, I think everything will work out just fine for me. The best part, when I'm driving the vehicle, I can hear a siren. I know when I have to pull over, because a couple of times, you know, But it is what it was. Now it's a different story. I'm very proud, as I said earlier, that I finally did something right for myself for a change. So
Wow.
I'm blessed. I'm
Oh
very
my
blessed.
God.
It's better. How does that feel?
Yeah, I feel better.
Feels better?
Yes.
Okay, so try that one. And then you can use that as a spare. There you have it.
Okay, thank you so much,
You're
Manuela.
welcome. Yeah.
My name is Aure Lindo, the last name Lindo. I heard from my daughter. She knows, she passed by this place and she knows Leila. So I asked her, can you please ask Leila if you're okay to give me the ears aid? It's changed so much, because before I can't hear almost nothing. And my daughter, my kid said, oh mom, you need the ears aid. 8 years ago, I buy the one, but it's broken and they can't fix anymore. Yeah, so this changed a lot, because now, and I hear so much voice in my head. I hear so much like that, so much beeps, and with this ears, it's so good.
My name is Manon Rattray. I came a couple times to see Leela, and she told me about this going on. I was so happy. So they fed up the application for me, and I'm here. Now I can hear people. Sometimes I don't hear what they're talking about, you know? But now it's a big difference. Been for years, and then people used to tell me to go get some hearing. You're getting deaf in 1 year, right? Well, I could hear, but not as good, right? So when I say, there's my doggies, and they get so happy. But now I can hear them more when the other rooms, kitchen or something, because that's a big difference. People coming over for Christmas, I'm gonna be so happy. Well, when it's too many people and they talk, sometimes I can't hear it. I'm missing conversation sometimes. And sometimes I can hear good. It depends on the people, the way they talk too. If they talk too low, I can hear nothing. And she said, you know, it's the community does that. And they're good people. I can't believe it. I got it for free. Oh my God. My life's gonna change quite a bit after I can hear now. It is a bunch of people now, I probably can hear everything. Sometimes I miss out, right? What can you do? Wow, I can't believe it. It's like a Christmas present. I really like Leela. She's so nice. And she takes her time and she's amazing. I like her a lot. I was amazed. She said the community does that and you gotta get them for free. And sure enough, I'm here. I can't believe it. Thank you so much.
So my name is Suzanne and my mom lives in Innisfil, and one day we decided to pop in and inquire about a hearing assessment, and I happened to look over the counter, saw the sign about a program where donated hearing aids were going to be offered to certain folks, and I applied for the program and was pleasantly surprised when we were accepted. Being part of the program will be fantastic as it will provide my mom with some increased hearing and hope to eliminate the barrier that she has with her hearing loss so that when we are talking, she's going to be able to hear more. Also when she's out and about socializing, because she is quite the social butterfly, she will hear everything going on around her. And when she goes to appointments, she'll be able to hear all the information that is being shared and will be able to process that information better as she's not struggling just to hear the information to start with. So we came to this place because it is the closest to my mom, and especially during the winter months, we don't want to be driving too far to Barrie and snowstorms, etc. And I also figured that because it was close by, my mom could access it as well. When we came in, everybody was so welcoming. The audiologist was so informative. She really took the time to explain why hearing loss is harder to detect than sight loss. And I felt that she really understood my mom, who is a senior, and what some of those challenges would be like. And I really felt that this was an excellent way just to bring hearing aids to my mom, being a first-time user, and remove so many different barriers that seniors would encounter with hearing aids, whether it's just, you know, having that open mindset to want to try them, but yet, oh my goodness, they're thousands of dollars, how am I going to pay for them? And this just happened to work out really well, and I'm glad we popped in.